Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of specimen paper 2025 set B. This paper is without calculator. So before we start, I would request you to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. So let's start. Question number 14, write 0.38 as a fraction. Give your answer in its simplest form. So let's say first of all I will take this x is equal to 0.38. As you can see, there is a dot only on 8, so that means 8 is repeating, right? So let's multiply this both sides by 10. So this will become 10x, and this decimal is going to shift over here. This will become 3.8, 8, 8 and 8, right, so on. So now when we subtract this, so when you subtract this, so 10x, I am going to the other way, 10 minus x is 9x, and similarly here this is going to be let me write it down here, 3.88 something like this, and this is 0.388 like this. So this is going to become 0 all around. 8 minus 3.5 actually. So this is going to become 3.5. So x is going to be 3.5, that is 35 over 10 times this 9 comes over here. Now we can just simplify this. This is 5 times 7, 5 times 2, this is 7 over 18. 7 over 18 is the final answer, right? Now number 15, Freya records how many minutes she takes to complete a crossword each day. How many minutes, right? On Tuesday she takes 10 minutes less than on Monday. Then on Wednesday she takes 50% less than on Tuesday. On Wednesday she takes 9 minutes to complete the crossword. Find the number of minutes Freya takes to complete the crossword on Monday. Okay, so we don't know. Let me start with Monday. So let's say the time taken on Monday. So time taken on Monday is let's say it is x minutes. Okay, so we'll start with Monday. So he said on Tuesday we'll go with the first condition. She takes 10% less than on Monday. So if it was 100, so on Monday 10% less than, that means she took 90% of x, that is on Monday, of the time on Monday. So on Tuesday what is going to have here, this is going to be 90% of 90 over 100 of x, that is on Monday, right? So this is going to become 9 over 10x. Okay, then on Wednesday, so on Wednesday it is 50% less. On Wednesday it's 50% less than Tuesday. So that will be 50, 10, 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50% off on Tuesday. On Tuesday was 9 over 10x, right? So 9 over 10. So this is 50% off. That means 50 over 100 of this 9 over 10, right? So this 0 and 0 is gone. So this is 45 over 100x, right? This is on Wednesday. Now let's move to the third one. On Wednesday she takes 9 minutes. So Wednesday is 9 minutes. So that means whatever we got here on Wednesday, this is equal to 9 minutes. So 45 over 100 x is equal to 9. So x is going to be 9 times 100 over 45, right? So when you calculate, this comes out to be 20, because 9 times 5 is 45, 5 times 2, this is 20. So this is 20 minutes, right? So this was our question, right, to find out the time taken on Monday. So it is 20 minutes. So you see, this is simple. So go step by step for each line according to the given the conditions. So then you will find out the answer, right? Now number 16, we have PQ is 31 and vector QR is 19. Work out the length of PR. First of all, I will just draw a rough diagram. Let's say point P here, Q here and R is here, right? So we are looking for PQ. PQ is this one we given, QR is this one here, and we are looking for PR. Okay, we are looking for PR. So from here PR is going to be PQ plus QR, right? PQ we are given, it is 3, -1, and QR is 1 and 9, right? So this is 3 plus 1, it will become 4, -1 plus 8, it is 9, it is 8, right? So now we are looking for the magnitude of PR. Magnitude of PR is going to be then square root of then this x square, which is 4 squared, plus y square, that is 8 square. So this is 16 plus 64, which is square root 80. So this is the answer, square root 80. You can leave your answer in surd form, right? Number 17. The diagram shows a sector of the circle with radius 6 centimeter. The area of the sector is 15 pi. Work out the perimeter of the sector. So this is 4 marks question. So be careful, don't miss any this part from this. Give your answer as form a plus b pi, where a and b are integers. So meaning we are not going to substitute the value of pi because we need the answer in terms of pi. So now we are given the area of the sector. So I will write down here area of sector. It's given to us 15 pi centimeter squared, right? So area of sector, we have the formula theta over 360 into pi r squared equals to 15 pi, right? So 15 pi is going to be cancelled, it's both sides. So we are looking for angle theta here. Theta is going to be 15 times 360 over this r will come down here, r squared, right? So this is 15 times 360 and r square, r we have 6 centimeter here we are given. So 6 times 6 is 36. So this is 36, this will be 10 here. So 150. So we got theta 150 degrees. Now it's easy to find out the perimeter of the sector. So perimeter of the sector is going to be theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? So this is 150 over 360 times 2 pi r, right? So this one is 115 over 36, this 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 pi into r is 6, right? So sorry guys, I think this I'm making mistake. Let me redo this part. And I need more space, I have to squeeze a bit. Sorry. Okay, so first of all we are going to find out perimeter. We will include these two sides also. This is the common mistake, so we have to include these two also, and then plus this length of arc here. So first of all we will find out the length of arc. Let me do it here. Length of arc AB, let me write the name AB. Length of arc AB is theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? So theta is 150, we have just calculated, over 360 into 2 pi, and r is 6. So this is gone. 6 times 6 is 36, and this 2 times 3 is 6, and then 3 times 5. So what are we left here with? With 5 and pi. So length of arc AB is 5 pi, right? So let me just keep it aside. So now we are looking for the perimeter. So perimeter of the whole shape is going to be this length from here, AO plus OB and then AB. So this is 6 plus 6 plus 5 pi. So this is 12 plus 5 pi. So this is the answer, 12 plus 5 pi. So answer should be A plus B pi form. So we got that form of the answer, right? Now next one, the sector is the cross section of a prism of length 10 centimeter. Work out giving your answer in terms of pi, the volume of the prism. We are looking for the volume of the prism. As you know that volume of the prism is area of cross section times length. Area of cross section is 15 pi times length is 10. So this is 150 pi. So this is the answer, 150 pi. Answer is supposed to be in form of pi, in terms of pi. Now the total surface area of the prism. Now this is bit tricky, so you need to know what kind of, so you see the prism, it is like this, it's like this, let me try, it's like this. Now so for the surface area, you see we have these two parts here, this one, right? So this area of the cross section and area of the this one, and then we have two rectangular parts, two of this here, 1 and 2, and one is going to be like the curved surface of this, the length of arc. So it is going to be something like this. So this is made up of actually these 1, 2, 4 and 5 faces. So this one is easy, the rectangular part. So I am going to write it down here. So this which one is so this length is 6, this is 6, okay, and length of this part we already got it there, which was 5 pi. You see here we have done this length of arc, length of AB, right here it is 5 pi. Okay, so now let me take this one. First of all I will take the part of the rectangle. So rectangle, this part is 6 and this length is given to us 10. So there are 10 times 6, it is 60 plus 60, I hope you are getting it. So this triangular part and this triangular part, 60 plus 60. Then we need this part here, the cross section. So this is given to us here, we have, this is given to us 15 pi. You see here, this one here, area of the sector. So this sector is 15 pi, this one is 15 pi and this is 15 pi. There are two of them. So 15 pi plus 15 pi, right? So then now we are left with this one. This was the tricky part, and this part we know that this is 5 pi, okay, length of this arc, and this is 10. So total area of this part is going to be 5 pi times 10. Now you are going to add. So this is 120 plus this is 30 pi plus 50 pi, then this 50 plus 30, it's 80. So final answer is 120 plus 80 pi, right? Now number 18, write x squared minus 8x plus 10 in form of x minus a minus b. So there are two ways, either you expand this or no, sorry, we can't do that. You have to write this in this form. So we will split this into the form. I am going to take x, then take half of this is 4. Coefficient of x is -8 and half of that is -4, and then square. So minus, then square of this is going to be 4 squared plus 10, right? So this is x minus 4 squared minus 16 plus 10. So this is x minus 4 squared minus 6. So this is the answer in this form. So x minus 4 squared minus 6. Okay. Now part 2, sketch the graph of y equals to x squared minus 8x plus 10. On the sketch, label the coordinates of the turning point and the y-intercept. So this is 3 marks question. Again, you have to be very careful. Now first of all, we need to have the points where we can, you see we don't have anything here, so everything we have to find out. So now when x is 0, what is going to be y from here? X 0, this is, these two become 0. So y will become 10 from here. So that means y10, let's say y10 is here. So one part graph is going to intersect over here. And when y is 0, what will be then? So then this is x squared minus 8x plus 10 equals to 0, right? So by using quadratic formula or factorization, you can do this one. So let me use quadratic formula here. Minus b plus minus b square is 64 minus 4 times 1, 10, it is 40, right, over 2a, a is 1. So this is going to be 8 plus minus, this is 64 minus this 20 square root over 2. So this, when you calculate this, comes out to be 6.4 and 2.4. So that means value of x is, it is intersecting somewhere here. Let's say this is 2.4 and this is 6.4, this is 2.4, this is 6.4. So other 2 points of intersecting are these 2 points. So now the turning point. So for the turning point, what you need to do, we have to take out the derivative. So dy over dx, when you differentiate this, this will be 2x minus 8x, 2x minus 8x, 8, and this is going to be 0 because at turning point differentiation is going to be 0. So from here we will have 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. So x4 is the turning point, but we need to have the value of y. We are just going to take this equation, x squared replaced by 4, x squared minus 8 into 4 plus 10. So this is 16 minus 32 plus 10. So this is 26 minus 32. So this is negative 6. So turning point actually we got as 4 and negative 6. So 4 and negative 6. So 4 is going to be somewhere here, and negative 6 is, let's say it is here, negative 6, and this is going to be our turning point, which is 4 and negative 6. So that gives us, this is going to be like this. Okay, so as this, you see, coefficient of x squared is 1, so a is greater than 0, so it is going to be upward. So our graph should open upward. So this is how you will complete it, right? Now next, a point A, P lies on the graph. The gradient of the P at P is 6. Find the coordinates. So dy over dx, again the gradient will be 2x minus 8 after differentiating, and this is given to us as 6. So then 2x is equal to 6 plus 8, which is 14. So 2x will be 14 and x is going to be 7. So when x is 7, what will be y? So replace in this equation x as 7. So this is 7 squared 8 plus 10, 49, 56 plus 10. Do calculation carefully, guys. So you know that now you don't have calculator. So I'm just reminding you again and again. So this is 7 and 3. Number 19, simplify. We have these surds here, 75 square root minus square root 3. So we can simplify it. 75, we can write it down, 25 times 3, 75 minus square root 3. So square root of 25 is 5, and inside we will have square root 3 minus square root 3. So this is 5, and if there is nothing, that means there is 1. 5 minus 1, it is 4 square root 3. So 4 square root 3. Now rationalize the denominator and simplify. So for this you are going to simplify this, rationalize, and we'll take opposite sign of this, square root 5 over 1 plus square root 5. So this is 8 into 1 plus square root 5 over a minus b, a plus b. So this is a squared minus root 5 squared. So this is 8 into 1 plus root 5 over, this is 1 minus 5, it is going to be negative 4. So this is negative 2. So this is negative 2 into 1 plus square root 5, right? You can leave it over here, or you can just multiply negative 2 inside. So this will be like this, minus 2 square root 5, right? Now number 20, expand and simplify. We are just going to expand the brackets, nothing else, but be careful, there are 3 brackets here. So first of all, I will expand the first one. So this is 2x squared plus 2x, then minus 3x minus 3. This remains as it is, as we have not done anything to this yet. So this is 2x squared minus x minus 3, and then we have 2 minus 3x. So when you multiply this, this becomes 4x squared minus 2x minus 6, then multiply by 3, negative 6x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x, right? So minus, just rearrange, plus this will be 7x plus again 7x squared minus 6. So this is negative 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus 7x minus 6, right? Now number 21, you can see the diagram shows 2 right angled triangle ABC and ACD. Find the value of cos of ADC. So ADC is this angle, we are basically looking for this angle. So for that you need to have one angular one side. So let's start with this triangle here, the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if we take this, we can use SOHCAHTOA here. For that I will take the value, we are looking for actually AC, right? So I will use SOHCAHTOA. Sine of 30 degrees will be 6 over AC, right? So sine 30 is half 6 over AC, and then from here we are going to get AC as 12 centimeters. So this AC is now 12 centimeter. Now we can find out the value of cos ADC. Cos ADC, now we are taking this triangle, the top one ACD. In this we will use this one, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is this is adjacent, 9 over hypotenuse is AD, sorry, we have to take this hypotenuse is AD. So first we will calculate AD by Pythagoras theorem. AD square is going to be 9 square plus 12 square, which is 25 plus 144. So this is 200 and 9 square is 81. Why am I writing here 25? So this is 81, this will be 225, right? AD is going to be square root of this, which is 15, right? So now this is 9 over 15. So that's the answer, 9 over 15. This is 5 marks question, right? Now number 22, in this question all lengths are given in centimeters. Triangle ABC is mathematical similar to triangle ADE. You see this bigger triangle ABC and this smaller triangle ADC, they are similar, right? So we are talking about actually, let me show you, We are talking about this triangle. This bigger triangle from here, this one and this smaller one, right? So they are similar. So now if we take this one, we can take the ratios, they are similar. So I will take this smaller side over the bigger side. That means 2x over 10 is going to be, other side we have here x plus 5, and down we are going to take the whole of this 7.5 plus x plus 5. So x plus 5 plus 7.5, right? So now just cross multiply this one, we are going to get here this, let me rewrite x plus 5 over, this is x plus 7 plus 5, it's 12.5. Now we cross multiply these two. So we have here 2x into x plus 12.5, other side we have 10 into x plus 5. So this is 2x squared plus 25x minus 10x minus 5. So I have shifted everything on left hand side, so right hand side we will have 0. So this is 2x squared, 25 minus 10, it's 15x minus, sorry, this 10 times 5, it should be 50 here, so minus 50. That's what we need to show here. So equals to 0, hence proved. We can write down hence proved. So we have shown whatever we were told to show. Now solve by factorization this. So we have we can factorize this easily. So we need 50 and then we need 100. So we need something, when you add it should be 15, and when you multiply it should be negative 100. So I think the easy one is 20 and 5. 20 times 5 is 100, right? We need one negative sign. So 5 can be negative, it can satisfy this one here. If 5 is negative, then we will get 20 minus 5, 15, and 20 times 5 is negative 100. So we will replace the middle term. This is 2x squared, sorry, 2x squared plus 20x minus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. So when you take out 2x from here, we will have x plus 10x. Now from here is 5 common, x plus 10 equals to 0. Sorry, there x will not be here. Because x is outside. So now we have here 2x minus 5 and x plus 10 equals to 0. So from here 2x minus 5 is 0 or x plus 10 is 0. So from here x is minus 10, from here x is 5 over 2, that is 2.5. So x is 2.5 and minus 10. Now find the length of AC. So AC, now we have the value of x, we can find out. So we will take the positive value of x to find out length of AC. Length of AC is now you see from here to here. So this is going to be 7.5 and plus x plus 5, 7.5. So AC is 7.5 plus x plus 5. We, by taking positive value, because we can't take length as negative, so this is 7.5 plus 2.5 plus 5. So this is 15. Okay. Now number 15, this is a bit tricky. The area of triangle ABC is K. Find an expression for the quadrilateral BCED. Give your answer in terms of K. So now we are given the area of ABC as K centimeter squares. First of all, by using the similarity concept, we will have area of triangle ABC over area of triangle ADE. We want to find out the scale factor actually. So 10 over 5 squared, this is coming 4. So you see from here, the bigger triangle, this one ABC, and the smaller triangle, this. So we are going to divide, and we got it over 4. So area of ABC, now area of ABC is given to us as K, so I will put it over K, and area of triangle ADE we can find out from here, and this is 4 over 1. So when you cross multiply, the area of triangle ADE is going to be K over 4, right. So this is going to be K over 4. Now area of, we are looking for area of quadrilateral BCD. Area of quadrilateral BCD, this one is going to be equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ADE, right. Area of triangle ABC is given K, minus this we have just calculated K over 4. So this is 4K minus K by taking LCM. So this is 3K by 4. So final answer is 3K over 4. Okay. Now number 23, in Venn diagram shade P union Q dash R dash. Q dash is all part leaving this whole thing. Okay. And R dash is also leaving R and the remaining part, so it will include this also. And then we have P union this, so also this will go. So only part which is left is here, this one. Okay, let me change the color. So only this part is going to left, the remaining or is going to be shaded. Okay, so this was easy one. Now the next one we have again here, rearrange the formula to make P the subject. So let's take D over 1, then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply here, this is 2D minus P dy equals to 2P plus 3. So 2D minus 3 equals to, I am shifting every term of P on other side. So because we are making P the subject, so taking P out, we will have 2 plus dy, right. Here we have 2D minus 3. So P is going to be 2D minus 3 over, this is 2 plus dy. So that's the answer, 2D minus 3 over 2 plus dy, right. Now number 25, simplify. I think this is the last question. Yeah, so this is the last question of this paper. Anything raised to power x power 0 is 1. So everything raised to power 0 is 1. So just simple question. Now this one, be careful, we have power outside, we have power inside. This 2 over 3 belongs to everything whatever is inside, right. So first of all, I will simplify inside. When you divide 81 by 3, this is 27, right. So this is 27 power 2 over 3, then m power 8 times 2 over 3. Okay, wait, because there is m down here also, so we can just rewrite this here so that we simplify everything together. So what we have here now, we got here 27 m power 8, then there is down 2, so this will go up there, becomes negative 2. So outside we have a 2 over 3. So this is 27 m power 6 times 2 over 3, and 2 over 3 belongs to 27 also, right. So this 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Then m power 6 3 power 3 into m power 3 times 2, it is 6. Sorry, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is m power 4. So this is 3 power 3 is just for this 27, and outside then there is 2 over 3. So then this is 3 power 3 times 2 over 3 m power 4. So this is gone. 3 squared is 9, 9 m 4, right? Now this one here, find the value of x. So we have to make the factors of 32. So 32 can be written as let me show you how you can do this. 2 16, then 2 8, 2 4, 2 times 2, go continue until you get 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 32 can be replaced by 2 power 5, and then there is x there, and 2 power x plus 3 equals to 1 over 4. 1 over 4 can also be written as 2 power negative 2, because it is up there, we are taking it up. And so 2 power 5x plus x plus 3, because base is same, so we can add the powers. So this is 6x plus 3, because 2 is same on both sides, base is same, so we can equate the power. So this is minus 2. So 6x is going to be minus 2 minus 3. So x is minus 5 over 6. So minus 5 over 6 is the final answer. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you understood everything. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Be blessed, guys.